Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready? Here it is. Put your hands together to Marcelino Pomar.
Thank you so much. Good evening, everyone. Aray ko. I just want to say good evening, everyone. Oh, nice to meet you guys. Maraming salamat. Wow, this is in the front of the seating here in the front of the stage, the VIP, right? Sila po yung mga nagmamay-ari ng malalaking ari. The big establishment, yeah, that's why VIP. Okay, guys, you know, I tell you frankly, my English is not good. You know, just listen to my music, okay? Because I have no, good education, okay? So I'll try to speak English because a lot of Americans are listening to me now. Okay? Thank you so much. Good night. Alright, maraming salamat po sa suporta ninyo sa America's Got Talent, the Champion Edition. Hindi lang Pilipino, kundi buong mundo po ang nakikinig sa atin. Thank you so much po. Marami ba Bisaya dito? Okay, thank you so much. Magsiuwi na kayo, ha? I'm so happy, guys, na almost 2 years na wala akong show. Kasi, syempre, pandemic. That's right. It's a pandemic. So I have a show but online and Zoom in a Viber, you know, something like that. But for now, I'm so happy and I'm so glad kasi I'm perform in front of you guys. Thank you so much. Oh my God. Sa tagal-tagal ng panahon. So my next song is a song by Regine Velasquez, the OPM song. If you know this song, please sing with me. But kung hindi nyo alam, tumigil kayo, ha? You know, this time I'm shy to sing in the front of the stage because they have a international performer, David Fomeran. Sir, thank you for coming to my concert. Oh my God. You know, sometimes when we touch, they honestly too much. Okay, this song is for you guys. La 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 la. Pagmasdan ng ulan, unti-unting pumapatag sa mga halamat, mga bulaklak. Soko. Pagmasdan ng dilim, unti-unting bumabalot sa buong paligid tuwing umuulan. Kasabay ng ulan, bumubuhos ang iyong ganda. Kasabay rin ng hangin kumakanta. Maaari bang wag ka na sa piling ko'y lumisan pa hanggang ang hangin tulay tumila na. Sing with me, guys. 1, 2, 3. Buhos ng ulan, aking mundo'y lunuring tuluyan. Tulad ng pag-agos mo'y di mapipigil ang puso kong nagliliyap. Pag-ibig ko'y umaapaw, damdamin ko'y humihiyaw sa tuwa. Isang oras po ito, ha? Ito lang na kanta. Bakit ba may lungkot sa iyong mga mata? Ako kaya'y dinais makapiling sinta. Di mo ba pansin ako sa'yo'y may patingin? Sana ang tinig ko'y iyong dinggin. Ako ngayon'y hindi mapalagay pagkat ang puso ko'y nalulumba. guys. Pangako, hindi ka na mag-iisa. Pangakong magmula ngayon'y tayong dalawa. Ang magkasama. Minsan lamang sa buhay ko ang isang katulad mo. Ako rin ba'y iniibig mo? Dinggin, puso'y sumasamo, sumusumpa sa'yo. Ikaw lang ang tanging dalangin ko. Ang pag-ibig ko'y alay sa'yo lamang. Kung kaya't giliw dapat mong malaman. Minsan lang kitang ibigin, minsan lang kitang mamahalin. Ang pagmamahal sa'yo'y walang hangganan, dahil lang minsan ay magpakailanman. Dahil lang minsan ay magpakailanman. Thank you so much. You are the song playing so softly in my heart. I reach for you, you seem so near yet so far. I hope and I pray that you will meet someday, 'cause I know down inside you are mine and I'm yours, true love. Please, no more dreaming. How can I? Each time I try to say goodbye, you were there. You look my way, I touch the sky. We can share tomorrow and forevermore. I'll be there to love you so. You are my song.
Half hour pa lang, naka-half hour pa lang tayo.
Ang pangarap ko, ang iyong binubuhay. Ngayong nagmamahal ka sa'kin ng tunay. At ang tinig mo'y parang musika, nagpapaligaya sa munting nagwawalay. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat. Ayan, that's the OPM song by Regine Velasquez. Alam niyo po, 10 minutes po yun. Ano? 10 minutes. Samantalang po, binahe po namin simula sa... Anong lugar nga po yung unang... Biloxi. 8 hours po ang byland. Diyos ko po. Dumating po kami dito alas 10 na ng maga. Hinilot po ako na 1 oras. Nakatulog po ako 3 oras. Ganon po. Pero ang show po kasi, I have a show and 20 shows in the United States. So this is for the 12 shows pa lang. So I have 8 shows pa. Oh my God. Thank you very much. And then after this, we fly again to the Philippines. And then the Philippines, more than I will stay there 1 week. And then we fly again to the Canada. I have a show in the Canada, more than 15 shows. Oh my God, Lord, thank you. And then after the Canada, we'll fly again to Australia. I have the 10 shows. Yeah, pababa po ng pababa. And then after that, we fly again to the US. I'll come back here in the US again. I have in a show?
14
14 shows again in the US.
already.
Really? Oh my God. Thanks again, Lord. Okay. Gusto ko pong mag-request kayo ng kanta. Any kind of request a song? Okay. The prayer. So, gusto niyo...
Merong ano pasalamat. You have to thank them. Pakibasa.
Okay.
Just read it.
Okay. Summer is coming up, so summer is coming up. First responder air condition by Roel Diaz of Orlando. Ayan. Ano po bang meron?
They're the rescue officer.
Oh, what? Tita Vicky, William... Ano naman? Okay, ano ba to?
It's paid advertisement.
That's advertised?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, thank you so much to Tita Vicky Villanueva for our Magic Kingdom tickets. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat. Wow. Na-sold out pala ang ticket. Sa totoo lang po, I'm so happy na makatulong sa kanilang foundation. Kasi I have a charity also in the Philippines. 3 times a year ko pong ginagawa. So nakikita niyo po yung pinagawa kong bahay, yung mga matatanda, the oldest Filipino people in the Philippines. So I help the people in the Philippines.
And
So,
Mars, your birthday is coming up September and you're gonna do some outreach program.
sorry?
Your birthday, September?
Yeah, my birthday is September, kaya po every September po yung birthday ko po, hindi po ako naghahanda. I'm not celebrating my birthday because I'm happy to give it the other people, the poor people.
And
That's why.
someone donated 2 boxes.
Oh, really?
Public bio
You needed 2
boxes
boxes?
here. Yeah.
Who?
Emil, who? Yuman.
Yumak.
Yumak.
Oh, thank you very much. Thank you for the $5. $5 ba? $5. Oh my goodness. Thank you very much. Plus $5. Thank you very much. Okay. My next song is song by Celine Dion and Luther Vandross. Kinanta ko po ito sa America's Got Talent, The Champion. The Beauty and the Beast. This song for you guys. Hope you like it. If you don't like it, don't listen, okay? Oh my God. Alright, maraming salamat po. Ano pa? Ano pa gusto nyong kantahin ko? Gusto nyo na matapos na? Kasi pag kinanta ko po yan, tapos na. The show is done if I sing that song. Okay? So, this is my song. It's time to say goodbye. Just joke. Just kidding. Okay, my next song of love by Ed Sheeran.
I found the love for me. Darling, just dive right in. Follow my lead. Well, I found the girl, beautiful and sweet. Oh, I never knew you were the someone waiting for me. 'Cause we were just kids when we fell in love, not knowing what it was. I will not give you up this time, but darling, just kiss me slow. Your heart is all I own, and in your eyes you're holding mine. Sing with me. Baby, I'm barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. When you said you look a mess, I whispered underneath my breath, but you heard, darling, you look perfect tonight.
Italian.
Sei la mia donna, la forza delle onde del mare, con le mie sogni, i miei segreti, molto da più. Sparo con giorno, l'amore che ci ha accompagnato, diventi casa, la mia famiglia diventerò. E siamo sempre bambini, ma non è impossibile, stavolta non ti lascerò. Mi baci piano ed io torno ad esistere, e in questo sguardo crescerò. Ballo con te nell'oscurità, stretta e forte, poi a piedi nudi noi, dentro la nostra musica, e guardata ridere e sussurrando di tutto stasera. Vede, sei perfetta per me.
No.
Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. I have faith in what I see. Now I know I have met an angel in person, and she looks perfect. I don't deserve this. You look perfect tonight.
Thank you so much. Thank you very much. Oh! Bakit Mary Me? Oh my God. Bakit Mary Me? Maghanap ka ba? Don't worry about that. Makakahanap ka rin. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat. Do you like that song? Oh, syempre, kahit sino naman, di ba?
Mars, we're gonna have a song dedicated to people who had anniversary for wedding.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Wait for a while, okay? Sorry, excuse me, guys. Okay. Itong kantang susunod kong kakantahin, isa ito sa paboritong kinakanta rin sa mga kasal and wedding, mga ganyan. But song by David Pomeranz. Yeah. I like this song. Oh. Do it?
No,
Oh no.
we don't have a budget. It's too expensive.
It's too expensive. Okay.
All right, ready?
I'm ready.
Come on. Oh wow, thank you so much.
Mars,
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome David Pomeranz. Thank you very much.
You're so
oh
awesome.
my God, I'm so shy.
What?
Woo! All right.
What song are we doing?
On this day. Yeah. Oh my God. Oh, quack, quack, quack. Sorry.
how are you? You need water?
Okay. Sa baba. On this day. Just my favorite song, On This Day. The song is On This Day.
Is that to have you marry this woman over here?
No, I have a wife. Woo! Palakpakan naman po natin. It's an honor na makaduwit ko to. Here we stand today, like we always dream, starting out alive together. Light is in your eyes, love is in our heart. I can't believe you're really mine forever.
I've been rehearsing for this moment all my life.
Wow.
So don't act surprised if the feeling starts to carry me away.
On this day, I promise forever. On this day, I surrender my heart. Here I stand, like a pledge, and I will honor everyone that I say. On this
day.
wow.
Not so long ago, this earth was just a field, a cold and lonely space without you. Now everything's alive, now everything's revealed, and the story of my life is all about you. So if you feel this cold is blowing through your nights, I will shelter you and forever here chase your fears away.
surprise
and the feeling starts to carry me
away.
on this day.
I promise forever.
On this day,
I surrender my heart. Be wasted like a plan, and I will honor everyone that I say on this day. Thank you so much.
this day.
David Pomeranz, guys. Thank you very much. Thank you, thank you. Oh my God.
Marcelito, my gosh!
Thank you so much.
You're a genius, my friend.
Oh my God, you are my favorite performer, you know. Ever since, kasi yung mga kanta niyo yung Born For You, On This Day, yung mga ganyan kinakanta po sa kasal yan. Thank you very much. Oh my goodness. I'm shy. All right. Thank you so much.
They'll take the talent fee from you. Pay
Oh
them.
my God, okay. Pwede naman. At least ako nakaduet ko siya, di ba? So guys, are you happy guys? Gusto ko naman sumayaw tayo. Okay lang ba sumayaw? Okay. This song is Espanyol song. So kinanta ko to sa Spain. Tapos tinanong ko, do you understand what the meaning of song? No.
Is the mic still open?
Yeah. Let's dance together, guys. Ay. Honsi. Pwede po tayo. Oh, oh no, oh no. Yeah, wagawin. Oh yeah. Sí, sabes que ya llevo un rato mirándote. Tengo que bailar contigo hoy. Diwa, vi que tu mirada ya estaba llamándome. Muéstrame el camino que... That's a very fantastic song. I love that song, Celine Dion. Because before I met her, you know, I'm so very shy. It's a tall. Oh my God. Oh, all right. She said, hey Marcelino, how are you? I'll fine, Berbran. And sabi niya sa akin, keep it up. You know, I'm so sorry. Hindi kami tayo makapag-do-it kasi syempre late na siya ng kalahating oras sa show niya mismo. Nandun po kami 1 week kami doon sa Caesar's Palace. Nag-meet and greet kami. So, I'm so happy that time. Kasi bilang isang regalo na tupad yung pangarap ko sa buhay na ma-meet ko talaga si Celine Dion. And now, David Pomeranz, siyempre. Thank you so much. Ang susunod kong kawantaya, the song is Pentatonic Song. If you know this song, please listen this song. You know Pentatonics group? Yeah. Ano pong kanta nila? This song is Hallelujah. By Bamboo. Okay. The song is for you guys. I've heard there was a secret chord that they be played in a place the Lord, but you don't really care for music, do ya? Well, it goes like this: the fourth, the fifth, the minor fall, the major lift, the baffled king composing hallelujah. Hallelujah, hallelujah,
Well, your faith was strong, but you needed proof. You saw her bathing on the roof, her beauty in the moonlight overthrew you. She tied you to the kitchen chair, she broke your throne and she cut your hair, and from your lips it rolled a hallelujah. Hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah.
Well, baby, I've been here before. I've seen this room and I walk this floor. I used to live alone before I knew ya. And I've seen your flag on the marble arch. And love is not a victory march. It's a cold and it's a broken hallelujah. 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 Well, maybe there's a God above, but all I've ever learned from love, but how to shoot somebody who outthrew you. And it's not a cry that you hear at night. It's not somebody who's seen the light. It's a cold and it's a broken hallelujah. 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 Hallelujah.
Thank you so much. Thank you for appreciating my time. Thank you very much. And good night. Okay. Okay, gusto niyo pa? Gusto niyo pa? Do you want more? Oh, sige. Sige. Alas 8? Alas 8 na ba? Ano gusto niyo oras? Hanggang ano oras na matapos? Alauna. Okay. My next song is soundtrack by The Greatest Showman. Yeah. The song is Never Enough. But never enough. Okay. Hope you like this. Check.
Can you please give me more reverb? Thank you so much. Oh, I appreciate that. Thank you. I'm trying to hold my breath. Set up a dream with me, getting louder now. Can you hear it echoing? Take my hand, will you share this with me? 'Cause darling, without you, all the shines of 1,000 spotlights, all the stars we steal from the night sky will never be enough, never be enough. Towers of gold of steel too little, these hands could hold the world, but it'll never be enough, never be enough for me. Never, 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 never for me, for me. Never enough, never enough, never enough for me, for me, for mine. All the shines of 1,000 spotlights, all the stars we steal from the night sky will never be enough, never be enough. Towers of gold of steel too little, these hands could hold the world, but it'll never be enough, never be enough for me. Never, 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 never for me, for me. Never enough, never enough, never enough for me, for me, for mine, for me.
Thank you so much. Maraming salamat. Oh my God. You know, I'm so happy and I'm so glad, guys, na nakarating ako sa ganitong posisyon. Because before I win the competition at the Pilipinas Got Talent, it's very hard for me. You know why? I tell you why. Next year. Siyempre, bilang ako po ay broken family. When I was 2 years old, my mother, she left me. My father was a prison. So, inampun po kami ng pulis. Pero 3 po kami. 3 siblings. So, it's very sad. You know? Okay lang ba mag-istorya? Okay. Okay. So, you can translate your partner, ha? At the age of 8 years old, palaboy na po ako. I live in the street and I work hard. I work the bowling, like that. I'm a pinboy. So, and then in the evening, I will try the vendors of balot. You know what balot? Yeah. Yeah. 8 and 16 years old, naging palaboy po ako sa kalye. Ang kita ko po sa pinboy ay equivalent, 50 pesos equivalent of $1 a day. So once a day lang po ako kumakain. Na-feel ko po, naranasan ko pong kumain ng tira ng isang tao. Super, super nakakalungkot lang.
Faded.
Thank you. At that time, kung iisipin ko, masakit sa akin. Kasi syempre, bilang walang pamilya, walang magulang nag-aalaga. Hindi ko akalain na yung tatay ko ay matagpuan ko at the age of 16 years old. Nasuki ko pa siya sa balot. Why? How to explain that?
Your favorite customer
Yeah.
selling balut.
Yeah. My father is a favorite customer to me to, buy in the balut. Okay. So after that, my father, they said to me, I'm so sorry about the past. Because kahit sino magulang daw, ay gusto na lang makaangat sa buhay, sa kahirapan. My father's operation is case of arson. Opo, pero that time nagsama kami ng father ko as 3 months lang kasi may sarili siyang family. They have the other family, so may have a stepbrother, stepsister, and stepmother. Yeah, step eh. Yeah. Then after that, sumama po ako sa illegal recruiter papuntang Maynila. Nagtrabaho po ako sa mga Chinese. Ang natrabaho ko Lim, Li, Ko, Kok. Kabisado ko yung mga pang-apelido nila. Li, ayan. Po, yung unang-unang trabaho ko is poultry. Sa Manukan. Nag-spray po ako ng chicken cage. So while I spray the chicken cage, and from the top, ang ipot po ng manok hanggang dito sa tuhod ko. Yeah. Habang kumakanta po ako, nag-i-spray po ako. So doon ko pa na-discover siguro. Kumakanta na po ako 8 years old, pero alam mo yung tipong pangpatanggalan ng pagod. Yeah. While working hard. So I need to sing a little bit, sometimes.
Stress reliever.
Huh?
Stress reliever.
Yeah, stress reliever, not pain reliever, okay? Yeah. And after that, hanggang 21 years old po ako nagtrabaho sa iba-ibang Chinese. Then, ang sweldo ko po every month ay 1,000 pesos. Equivalent sa 1,000 pesos is $20 a month. Yes. Pero pinagtiyagaan ko po yun sa loob ng 21 years old ako. Pero bumalik ako sa Mindanao para hanapin yung gusto ko makapagtrabaho ng marangal. So I need the requirements. So I need the birth certificate, barangay clearance, police clearance, SSS, NBI. Wala ako niyan, ni isa. Pero nung pag-uwi ko, pinuntahan ko yung nag-ampon sa akin. Wala silang birth certificate maibigay. Yung tatay ko meron isang araw lang. Late registered. NSO. Oo, grabe yun. Nakakaloka. Pero at least yun na po sinunod ko. Ang pangalan ko po talaga noon is Angelito Makawili. Yan nag-ampon sa akin. Pang-umaga ako noon. Ngayon, yung tatay ko, Pomoy Marcelito. PM na ngayon. Diba? Ang saya. Pang-umaga. Pero sa totoo lang, yung nanay ko, hinanap ko, alam na ng tatay kung nasa yung nanay ko. Kaya naging Cavite po ako. Sino pa taga Cavite dito? Yeah. From Cavite. Doon ko po natagpuan yung nanay ko. In 24 years old na po ako. After the winning of the Pilipinas Got Talent. 25 years old, after the winning of the Pilipinas Got Talent. Sabi ko, sana mabuo ko sila. Kahit di ako manalo, okay na ako. Pero nabuo sila, pinanalo pa ako. Nang dahil sa inyo. Thank you so much for supporting me. Thank you very much. So my next song is The Prayer. This song is very memorable for me because this song, that's why I'm here for now. And I will pray now the pandemic is gone. And then I pray for Ukraine and Russia also. Ang lupit mo! Para po sa inyo.
Sento che ci salva,
Thank you very much. Thank you so much. Oh. Thank you. Wow, thank you so much. Thank you for appreciating my talent. Thank you. Thank you. Do you want more? Yeah, okay. Thank you so much! Where are you? Thank you so much. For now, I would like to call on the stage the one of the performer, Mr. Don
Don Bronco.
Don Branto, come here. Please come on stage. I want to sing with you as a song of Tonight I Celebrate My Love. My love. My love, where are you? Hey, Don. How are you doing? Marry me? Oh, my goodness. My wife is here. Okay, so... Oh my God, ang tangkad mo pala doon. Yeah, let's do this, guy.
Hello.
Yes? Are you okay? Hey,
There you go.
palakpan na mo natin. Ayan. Don.
Tonight I celebrate my love for you. It seems the natural thing to do.
Tonight, no one's gonna find us.
Wow!
We leave the world behind us. When I make love to you.
Tonight I celebrate my love for you and hope that deep inside you feel it too.
Tonight, our spirits will be climbing to a sky with diamonds.
When I make love to you tonight. Tonight I celebrate my love for you. And the midnight sun is gonna come shining through.
Tonight, there'll be no distance between us.
What I want most to do is to get close to you. Tonight I celebrate my love for you. Tonight I celebrate my love for you. And soon this world will seem brand new.
Tonight, we will both discover how friends turn into lovers.
What I want most to do tonight, I celebrate my love for you. And the midnight sun is gonna come shining through.
Tonight, there'll be no distance between us.
What I want most to do is to get close to you. Tonight I celebrate my love for you. Tonight.
Thank you, Marcelito.
Don, thank you very
Thank
much.
you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Oh my God. Ang ganda ng awitin na yun. Tonight I celebrate my love for you. So this time, tubig na naman tayo. Okay, my next song is, ito po yung kinanta ko sa America's Got Talent, The Champion. Ang Time to Say Goodbye. This is my last song for the first set, okay? Okay, para po sa inyo. This song is for you guys.
sono solo sogno l'orizzonte che le parole mio stilo su che sei
No?
manca sole sei non ci sei tu con me
Time to say goodbye. Passi che non ho mai veduto e vissuto con te. It's time to say goodbye.
Quando sei lontana sogno l'orizzonte ma che le parole
Mio cielo su che sei con me,
con me, con me
con me.
time to say goodbye passi che non ho mai veduto e vissuto con te adesso
Sì, vivrò con te. Sonavi per mari che io lo so, non esistono più.
Thank you so much. Thank you very much. Gusto nyo pa ba? Okay. Before anything else, I would like to, ano daw yan? Ikaw na magbasa niyan, ha? Hindi na ako.
Tutulungan kita, huwag kang mag-alala.
Tutulungan kita. Hi,
Yung ba
Sir
yun?
Mel. Ha?
Yung ba yun?
Oh, yun. Sa
Hindi
imo.
tayo nagkakalayo ng height ah.
Wala, di ka kaya nga eh. I'm 5
So,
and a half.
unahin muna natin si Rowel. Nabitin kanina eh.
Sino si?
Rowel Diaz, para sa air conditioning yan.
Wow.
O, di ba?
Ruel Diaz.
Meron,
kamusta po ka dyan?
meron ka ng Magic Kingdom sa Tuesday.
Oh, talaga?
Disney, Tita Vicky Villanueva.
Ako yung ano sa Disney doon.
Hanapin mo na si Mickey Mouse. Pero magpapapicture ka lang na kami kay Mickey Mouse.
Ah, sige, sige. Okay.
So, we have our main producers, the Friends Who Care, namely Dr. Leo Yason, Susan Yason, Doctors Jobert and Bless Vasquez, Mr. and Dr. June and Debbie Remorca.
Wow. Thank you so much.
Oh, so yun yung pangalawa. Ako pa rin? Oh, eto sa'yo.
Ituloy mo na yan. Nandyan na sa'yo eh.
Sa'yo to ha, itong huli. Sa'yo yung huli ha.
Okay.
Okay. The one who will benefit the fundraising, the Hospital on Wheels.
Saan na ba yun? Ayun.
Ito.
Ayan, ayan. Oo.
And the 52 sponsors.
Oh, wow. 52?
52. Oh, na-break ba yan sa ano, sa other cities? Hindi.
Muntik 49 lang
Ay,
nandun.
sayang. 49.
Oh, 50 dito.
Letra ng G ng bingo pa rin yun. Then, to send packages with your loved ones in the Philippines, Yuma Cargo Box,
Wow.
2 boxes.
Plus 3.
Oh,
joke
di ba?
lang, joke lang.
Plus,
Joke lang.
yung ilalaman ko pa.
Oh,
Yung
wow.
ilalaman pa ng mga doktor.
Wow. Thank you, salamat.
Gusto mo yung golden coat? Oh,
Pwede.
24K yan.
Wow.
Oh, 24 kilatis. Next, of course, the Bayanihan Arts and Events Center. The place.
Thank you so much.
The PhilFest, April 1st, 2nd, and 3rd. Don't forget, our chairman, Tita Larry Peterson. This is a family and organization owned by the members of the organizations, mortgage-free.
Wow.
Walang utang.
Alam mo, sagot ko na lang, wow.
O, di ba? Next. To our sound system, Brendan Smith Event Center, and of course, si Charles. Charles,
Hi,
thank
Charles. Thank you so much.
you. Doctors Len and Terry Bisonet.
Hello.
That's why we
Thank
have
you.
the venue.
Oh, wow.
They do not own it. They're the underwriter.
Okay.
All our front acts, Resume Baguio Cooper, Annalise Robbins, Mr. Philip Punzalan, Mitoy Yonting, your co-artist.
Yeah.
Your local artist here in Tampa Bay, Mr. Don Bronto. Chibugan Sari Sari Store and Catering. That's ongoing. Lahat ng request mo nandun.
Yung
Pinakbet.
pinakbet. Sinigang.
Adobo, sinigang,
Andun lahat.
at puting kanin.
White
Jasmine
rice.
ang name.
Oh, wow.
Pero J pa rin, no? Medyo may Jasmine pa rin. 5, photography and video. Andun si Ariel at si Mylene. Libre yan. Isipin mo, saan naman nakita ng photographer, videographer?
Libre?
Nagbayad na, nag-provide pa ng services.
Wow.
Only with the 5. Walang G's, walang 25, kundi 5.
Grabe.
Oh, di ba?
Sana all.
And of course, ikaw na bumasa ng huli. Ayoko marinig yan. Ayoko na marinig. Yung huli.
And of course, and our host, ang MC natin, the man who worked hard for this show. You did an amazing job, brother. Ready up? Palakpakan naman natin yan. Grabe. Alam mo, kahit nung nagbiyahe kami, tawag ng tawag. Nasaan na si Marcelito? Nasaan na? Andiyan na kami.
Naiwang ang araw sa Tallahassee. Imagine mo kung naiwang ka pa nun. Anyway, you guys want more?
Okay.
Oh, we need to call Mitoy.
All right.
Yeah, Mitoy. Mitoy.
Where's
come
Mitoy?
here.
Mitoy.
Parang Mitoy, come here.
Mitoy? Guys,
Ladies and gentlemen.
one more? Here it is. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the rocker
Carry.
and the tenor.
Carry.
Yeah.
Have a mic.
Did you have fun, guys? All right. This time, I think itong the next song that we're going to do is a love song. So prepare your handkerchief or something. So you will cry for this next song. This is a very serious song that talks about dishonesty.
Hi, Mitoy.
Tagal dyan, wala na ako English, oy. Hindi,
Thank you. All right.
alam niyo bang magkumpare kami buhok?
Please stand up, guys.
Oh, you have to get
Stand up,
up, guys.
stand up.
You have to get up. You've been sitting for around
Sana po
3
naging
hours,
ganyan.
right? All right, it's party time. It's
Thank you very
party
much.
time.
Walang iba ang sasarap sa
Hindi ko makakalaw niya.
Sana ay di na magwakas itong awit ng pag-ibig. Awit natin ay wag na wag mong kalimutan. Pangako ko naman na lagi kang pakikinggan. Magpakailanman.
Everybody sing with us.
Ang isang pag-ibig ay parang lansangan na panggalawahan. Kaya't sa ating awit tayo ay magbigayan. Sing with us!
say we'll rock and roll.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Hey, hey, hey.
Thank you so much. Salamat po. Thank you so much.
Hey, hey, hey.
Sa bawat galaw ng iyong katawan,
Thank you.
ako ay lalo nang nahihibang. Come on and rock me tonight. Ako'y sa'yo forever. Kaya ibuhos mo lang pagkat tayo ay together.
Thank you so much.
Rock, baby, rock. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Yo.
Maraming salamat.
Ang kasiyahan ay tunay na pagmamahalan ay nararamdaman lalo na kung nagsasayawan. Awiting bago ay naghihintay para isayaw mo.
Thank you so much.
Once again.
Sumayaw-sulang ka sa aking tatang panahon. Kasabay ng mga patutugin ngayon. Sumayaw-sulang ka sa aking tatang panahon. Makisama, mag-enjoy ka ngayon.
Thank you so much.
A round of applause to Mr. David Pomeranz.
Sumayaw-sulang ka sa aking tatang panahon. Makisama, mag-enjoy ka ngayon.
A round of applause to Mr. Mitoy Yongting. And of course, our musical director,
Thank you,
Dr.
thank you, thank
Joel Seabag.
Yes.
Salamat. Thank you.
lots of
All right,
big up,
let's go.
guys.
Let's go.